Hi, I'm Steve Hunt, CEO of Hunt Business Intelligence, and I'd like to tell you about a new trend and an event we have coming up to explore this trend. It's called PSIM, Physical Security Information Management. PSIM is more than software simply doing yesterday's security job better. PSIM solutions actually create value. Take security event management. You start with surveillance cameras capturing events for many reasons: loss prevention, crime and vandalism deterrence, slip and fall evidence, traffic and crowd control, and dozens of other security and safety applications. The captured video events are transmitted to monitors in command centers or recorded on DVRs or storage arrays. The images, when viewed or collected, are data that may be used for security event management. Analog and network cameras, DVRs and network storage aren't the only security data sources. Consider these: alarms, environmental sensors, intrusion detection, both logical and physical, monitoring stations and command centers, knowledge bases and external intelligence services, trouble ticketing dispatching systems and problem management. The list goes on: business continuity, emergency response software, public address and notification systems, not to mention the loads of alerts coming from access control systems, resulting in a veritable deluge of data. So while security professionals have sought to solve security problems with the newest and best security technologies, they've ended up with this smoldering swamp of unused and sometimes unusable data. Here's the opportunity for you and for the industry. If managed properly, if normalized and analyzed, that data becomes information. With information, you can create value. PSIM is the newest way of advancing the industry and your career by providing a platform for turning event data into business information the same way corporations around the world have used any IT system to add value to the company. This new breed of technologies is represented by vendors like Vidsys, Cisco, Proximex, Orsys, Biology, Augusta Systems, Visual Defense, and with honorable mention to companies like Milestone, VideoNext, VideoIQ, Object Video, IOImage, to name a few. But PSIM doesn't install itself. It's a concept. And like any concept, the act of bringing it to life sometimes creates hazards. That's why I've organized a summit or forum to delve into the potential and possibilities of PSIM. If you are an end user, consultant, or integrator, please join me on the morning of June 4th in Bethesda, Maryland, on the Beltway outside DC. Sorry, no product vendors. I'll facilitate a dynamic discussion, you can be sure, and feed you a pretty good breakfast to boot. You'll leave the room with clear notions of when PSIM can work for you and how to avoid its pitfalls. I'll share with you what I've uncovered from my research, and in return, you'll share with me your views on when and how these solutions could be useful to you. That sort of quid pro quo is how I do most of my research. Look for the details and register here on the website. Come on, let's make some value out of all that data. See you in DC.